Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on VLOOKUP in Excel from your learning partner LearnNow. VLOOKUP is a powerful function that allows you to look up data from another table and bring it into your current table. It can save you a lot of time and effort when working with large data sets. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use VLOOKUP in Excel with Step 1, Setting up your data. Let's start by setting up our data. We have two tables here, Table 1 and Table 2. Table 1 has a list of employees with their IDs and salaries, and Table 2 has a list of employee name with the employee IDs. We want to add the corresponding salaries from Table 1 to Table 2. Step 2, enter the VLOOKUP function. To do this, we'll use the VLOOKUP function. In cell C2 of Table 2, we'll enter the formula equals VLOOKUP, B2, Table 1 and 2, false. Let's break down what each of these arguments means. B2, this is the lookup value we're trying to find in Table 1. In this case, it's the employee ID. Table 1, this is the table where we want to look up the value. In this case, it's Table 1. 2, this is the column number in Table 1 where we want to return the value from. In this case, it's the salary column. False, this tells Excel to do an exact match of the lookup value in Table 1. Step 3, copy the formula down. Now, we'll copy the formula down to the rest of the cells in column C. To do this, click and drag the bottom right corner of the cell with the formula down to the last row of data. Step 4, check the results. Now we can see that the salaries from Table 1 have been added to Table 2. We can also see that for employee ID 102, which is not in Table 1, we get the #n/a error. This means that the lookup value was not found in Table 1. Conclusion. That's it for this tutorial on VLOOKUP in Excel. Remember that VLOOKUP is a powerful tool for looking up data from another table, and it can save you a lot of time and effort when working with large data sets. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.